2018 Mazda 3 Grand Touring 6-speed manual transmission sedan. Aluminum sport alloy wheels with good Continental tires, tinted windows, rear trunk lip spoiler. Black leather interior, all weather floor liners throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Power driver's seat adjustments. Lane departure warning. Heated front seats, heated steering wheel, premium Bose sound system with subwoofer, navigation, backup camera, free 90-day trial of Sirius XM satellite radio, hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls, smart cruise, auto headlights, just over 88,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come on and see us at UCars.